For me, kasi pare, ako, I did consider yung trip ko sa States. Sa yung Amerikana. Pumunta ako doon, ay malaman ko lang kung ano ba talaga. Kasi we've been talking to each other for like how many months. And then, punta miss. Kung sabi nga, punta ko lang ako, punta na ito, punta ko. Pinuntahan ko. Punta ng takot, blah, blah, blah. Make out and everything afterwards.
Ilagyan nila ng wine. Ano?
Masarap. Correct! Ang sabi ko nito.
Ibaw na maapektuhan.
Kayo?
Mati ka doon. Maapektuhan siya sa kapulan. Would you be there because of consideration? Pare, hindi exactly. Ako pare, kasi ikaw. Pare, ilang years na nalalim.
Masaya magulang mo eh.
Bakit nakaiba ulit? Oo, dapat...
Ako naman, yun naman ako.
Alam mo, matutuwa yun, Roy, pag ako. Matutuwa pa yun, na binigyan siya ng ako.
Ay, bago ko,
Ay, pwede na lang bigyan ng agreement. Dami-dami ng babae na
so, one thing more. Ang ngayon na tayo dyan, pero the way I look at it, this girl, remember na I'll be marrying her, helped me, parang nalagaan ng mga magulang ko.
Word of caution.
And she told me that. She told me that.
Word of caution. Pare, out of relation. You can promise the earth. You can promise the moon. You can promise the stars. Pero when reality gets you realize how hard it is to take care of it never forget what your dad said. Century Plaza, love you. Overcome. Sinabi niya. Pare, your job, that woman, and you're married sa kanya, it's like heaven on earth. Yan ang sabi sa tatay mo, pare. But if you're not, everything goes out of the way.
Yeah, I remember that also.
Diba? Everything goes out of the way. Pare, it's like, how ako mag-i-share? Pare, ikaw, baka naman nandiyan ka lang, because it's convenient. You have to ask yourself also.
Sarap no? Nakakainis.
That's a wrong footing to start with. Convenient lang. Pare, it won't last. Kaya nga, ito ako pare, ikaw, diba? Ito naman ko, nasa room drink. Ito, overused na pare. You're the happiest man in the world. Yes, I am. Correct. Whatever the shortcomings of this person, natanggap mo. Why? Because you're just overused of this person. Eh, ito pare, may mga flaws. Pag nakikita mo ibang flaws, pare, wala na yun.
Ayaw mo naman in love. Are you in love?
Kaya nga tinatanong kita, are you in love or is it just convenience? Ask yourself.
May 2 days pa.
Kung ka ba? Ano naman yung babae nito? At
forma mo, tingnan mo, mag-isip mo.
Sabi kami, whatever your decision are my friend. Sa pinakal nandun ako, wala akong pakialam sa'yo. Okay? And I'm giving you something to think over. When you're ready, your mom was crying, and I was crying too.
Sobrang na ako nasaktan eh. Nasaktan na ako sa buhay ko.
But if you're happy, go!
Yan ang nga eh. Yan ang nga eh. Ano yung story mo para nasaktan ka? Ang pinakamasarap. Ang moment na hindi ka masaktan ka. Ako yung mga gusto ko yung nasaktan ako. Yes. Para alam mo ba lahat ng tao? Hindi lahat ng tao na experience masaktan at may love.
Yeah, brother, tsaka one thing more na, ang pag-aasawa pa rin. Sugargal, pare. Sugargal.
Bakit?
Yung mga sabi ako, pupunta na kung jackpot ko, hindi. Sugargal eh. It's how we're going to manage your marriage.
Yes, that's right.
I would rather go with gasoline. Huwag ka naniniwala sa sinabi mo.
Pare, putot to yan, putot
Huwag ka naniniwala.
Sugargal, dude.
No, ako pare.
Hindi mo ma...
Alam mo kung bakit? Alam mo kung bakit? Ako, ulit sa ako. Nakinig ka naka-video.
No, it's a risk. Simply, it's a risk. It's how we're going to manage your relationship. It is how we're going to manage your marriage. Definitely.
Ay, para sa akin. Pag ikaw na, ito over this
No. Pare.
Pare, lahat ng tao yung
That is what we call the saturation point. Dude, in everything that we do, there is what we call the saturation point. When you reach that point, when you reach that point,
Let me give you my advice.
Let us
Based on my own meandering experience, pare. Yeah. Wear sunscreen. Oh, pala, no? No.
I want to hear that, dear.
Seriously. Ako, I was fortunate. I came from a family that, broke up. Now, before I got married, even with